Welcome to the Autorox product demo, a state-of-the-art yet amazingly simple garage management software built to increase your garage's profitability and enhance customer satisfaction. In this video, I will be showing you how to request the part price from the hub and how to identify when the hub accepts or ignores your request. From the dashboard, I will quickly open the job card for which I have already entered the parts. Once we're on the estimation page, as you can see, we have entered 2 parts for this job card. To request pricing for these parts from the hub, just click on the checkbox in the last column against the parts. Your request will be sent to the hub. The hub can either choose to accept or ignore your request. After the hub has chosen to accept or ignore your request, all you have to do is refresh the page and you will be able to see the pricing in the last column. You can either choose the price shared by the hub, or you can enter the estimated part price of your choice manually. You can also see that the hub has chosen to accept and share price of one part and ignore the request of the other. It's that simple to request the pricing from the hub. Thank you for watching.